We're gonna be installing a duck wing on a 2011 Mark 6 GTI. Got the homie Lucas, the homie Sean, and we're gonna show you how to put this wing on. This boy got it on Amazon. This is what it looks like. It's a two-piece. So you got this side, and then you got that side. And we're gonna show you how to put this shit on. Disclaimer, the method we're gonna be doing is non-bolt-on. So we're gonna be doing 3M stick, and I'm gonna show you what you're gonna need to do this. So you're gonna need some 3M tape, or I recommend 30-pound or 15-pound Gorilla tape. Chulo over here can get it unstuck. You're gonna need
fucking open.
You're gonna need a razor blade to trim some of the tape.
Come on, son. Hurry up.
All right, now we were able to figure this fucking thing out. We have a blade going. All right, so once again, this is a non-bolt-on method. Even though there are threads here, we're not gonna be doing that way. We're gonna be doing the 3M, aka Gorilla Tape method. So just for a more in-depth, we're gonna be using this, and it's rated for 30 pounds, which is what you want. I prefer Gorilla Tape, but Scotch is just as good. So the concept that we're going for is we're gonna try and put tape all around where it's gonna make contact with the car, and then trim wherever the tape is leaking off of. We're gonna start by putting the tape around the surface of the wing. All right, so this was the first taping. You can see that we picked one edge and we just followed along with it. Your tape's gonna look a little crinkled, and that's all right, because tape's not really supposed to bend, but what you wanna do is just, once again, pick an edge and just follow that edge all the way around to where it looks nice and basically cozy. Now on the end here, so his kind of spikes off, and we're just gonna go ahead and trim the excess tape off so it gets a good seal. But now we're gonna put our second kind of like line of tape and even go into these little sputs here. All right, so this was the end finish. We cut it in half, layering it around the other pieces that needed it, and then chopped those in half and ran it along the little sputs or spats, whatever the fuck you want to call it there. So now Lucas is gonna put it on. Well, a test run first. So wherever he's feeling he wants it to go before you actually put it on, and then notice that you fucked everything up, right? All right.
It's gonna have to go right there. That looks good, right?
Yeah. All right, so that you don't fuck it up when you're taking it off and peeling everything off, I advise putting some tape there so you know where you want it. So there's tape on that side and there's tape on this side, so he really can't fuck it up. So go ahead. So this is what I'm talking about. So now that he took it off, he has his tape markers to know exactly where everything goes. It's just a good tactic so that, you know, you line everything up, you take it away. Ooh. Line everything up, you take it away, and then you don't have your markers, so you forgot where your wing was gonna go. And so he's peeling everything off.
Let me get the blade.
This is another thing. You always want to make sure you wipe down the surface before you stick onto it, because adhesive does not stick on the dirt or anything like that. So it's all peeled off. My boy is ready to go. So let's just be very careful, my guy. That's the focus. Okay. You have a couple tries before it adheses, so yeah, you have a couple more goes before it gives out. So he's now stuck it on, and now they're putting pressure to make sure that the adhesive sticks to the car. And you want to hold this down for maybe 5 to 10 minutes, because like I said, this is going to be, you know, wind is going to be putting downforce on this wing. So you really want it to adhere to the car, so that when you're on the highway, this thing doesn't fly off. First part of the wing is on. We're stepping away now.
Oh, it's gonna look nasty, bro.
Gotta sit from afar. Mind you, this is a two-piece. It's not this. That's only part one. You know what I mean? And then that's gonna be wing number 2. If you're interested in this wing, he got it on Amazon for $100. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you want to pick one up for yourself. Once again, this is a 2011 Mark 6 GTI. I don't know if it fits any others. If you have a Mark 6, it'll fit a Mark 6. I don't know. Will it fit a Mark 5?
No.
Will it fit a Mark 7? Okay, no, yeah, only Mark 6. All right, bro, we on to the second one. This one's gonna be quicker, less explanation, more doing. Let's get it going. trying to get a good angle. Second piece all taped up. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This material, you're gonna need to wipe it down a lot, but heal it up now, boy. I'm burping my face and shit. Come here. Come here. Come here. Fucking geezer. All right, he's making progress over here. you're out here farting, bro. What the fuck? Oh wait, wait, no. Oh no, the test piece. We didn't do a test piece. Fuck the test piece, bro. You got this.
That's gotta be it. Does it look straight shot?
Yeah, that's gang money. Sorry, money gang.
Oh, yeah. Hold it down, Sean.
POP, hold it down.
Hold it down, Sean.
All right, so after some tweaks, we got this side pushed down on in. He's gonna go ahead and trim the rest of the tape off. We also got that side looking good. And that is pretty much it. We ran into a little bit of issues. You're always gonna run into a little bit of cockeyedness and stuff when doing this. But once again, this was a 2-piece. So whatever measurement is on that side, you're gonna have to match it on this side. If it was a 1-piece wing, like I have here on my Scion, it's a little bit easier because it's not a 2-piece, but we got it done. It looks good. We're gonna clear all this shit off and show you what it really looks like. So this is like the final result. And the 2-piece. Let's get a little wide angle going on here. Like that. So, well, anyway, that's how to put a 2-piece wing on a 2011 Mark 6 GTI. If you enjoyed the video, hit the sub channel anyway. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Say bye, my boys.
Yeah, nigga.